Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Get to the point knife sharpening. Today we're going to sharpen a VG10 stainless steel. That's the manufacturer. I don't know if you can see that clearly. That's the knife we're going to sharpen today. And the stones we're going to be using today are the Shapton glass 500. Shapton glass 1000 and the Shapton glass 2000. This is the knife now guys. As you can see, clearly sharp, 500 out. So we can make a start on that one. Let's see if we can blunt the knife. Check that guys. As you can see, not working now. Right, I've left my squirty bottle behind, so we're going to have to make do without it today. With Shapton glass you don't get much stone, but they come very flat out of the package. But they're a very slow wearing stone, so today we're going to have to, even though I don't like contaminating, we're going to have to today. Right, let's get started. Let's find our level. Let's see how quick we can go with these. Right, that's after 2 passes. Let's find my handle. A really good stone to work on guys. Good feedback. And if you'd like to leave me any comments down below, what you'd like to see me try out next, or any comments you'd like, if I'm doing anything wrong, and give me a like and subscribe. It's free, it doesn't cost you nothing, and it helps me out with my channel. Right, it gives me to do more content for you guys. It helps me keep the stones coming, so I can try out all new stones for you. As you can see, it rubs straight off. Don't leave no markings. We're getting there, guys. Always remember, guys, when you're deburring, as you progress, lighten up your stroke, your pressure. Alternating ones. A few edge leading to pinch that burr right off. Dry off the knife. We'll see how we've got with that. There you go. There's the stone after using it. Cleans right off, no markings, just comes straight off. I'll set that one there. Let me dry my hands. Let's see what we've got. I'll say that was a pretty decent from a 500. And that's without any strop whatsoever. Now guys, we're going to go, let me see if I can find my favourite towel. No. We're going to go with the 1000 now. The 1000 grit shapton glass. Right. Always feel, guys, see if you've got a burr the full length of your knife, to be able to tip. And what we have at this point, let's do the other side. Oh, we've got a full melted tip both sides, guys. Two passes either side. Right, let's start to debur. I'm faster with my dominant hand, but we'll get there. Right, a couple of single strokes, guys, alternating strokes. Switch leading. Right, that's the 1000 width. The 1000 width do leave a few marks, but nothing to what the old rusted razor won't remove. There you go, guys, good as new. And that's what I used to flatten my stones with, guys, a toner plate, and that's the 400. Right, dry the knife off. Let me get another piece, and we'll try that. It's still got a little bit of burr left on it, because that's catching. As you can see, but it's still fresh cutting, but whatever it was a stop. We've done better off the 500 by deburring than we did. And this is an Enzo strop. With a 2.0 diamond that's what's on the strop, guys. Right. see if we put all that off. Always come away from you when you're swapping because you don't want to dig into your leather. Right, now let's see what we got on that. Oh, that wasn't a problem. Little push. There we go. That is a good, very clean hedge. Now we're going to move on to the 2000 stone. I've got the 4000 and the 8000 in the shapton glass, so if you'd like to see me use them as a polishing, we're back there against, I've got an 8000 kitty armour polishing stone, so we can always do a battle and see what one comes out the best. Right, let's see how this stone goes. Well guys, I find this stone a better one to work on than the 1000. I find it a lot better stone than the 1000. Let's just give it another quick go. Yeah, one more go on this side. Right. Stone do mark up a little bit, but it do rub off. As you can see, that guys just comes straight off. Right, cut that. I'm going to go ahead to leading, guys, for about 10 goes. Well, I lost count there, but let's see how we go. Looks a little bit of marking, but nothing that the rust eraser won't move. Let's see what sort of edge we got. Straight off the stone. Straight off. There we go. Do a push. We'll have a go on the old strop. Same strop again, guys. Clean the edge. Now let's see what we can get. There we go. Then let's find a dry spot. There we go. Push cut. There's ain't wrong with that. There we go. Sorry about the paper being a bit bad, but I'll have to get some better ones. That's feathering it, guys. So there we go. If you like this contents and you'd like to see more, subscribe to my channel. It's free. It gives you a notice to carry on with it, and it helps me run this channel. I need a few more subscribers and viewers, and then I can get new stones and we'll go from there and carry on doing it. Cheers guys, catch you in the next video, and also stay safe.